If you're looking to fully integrate your Shopify store into your existing WordPress site, this last method I showed you is by far the most versatile. By exporting your products out of Shopify and importing them into WordPress, and then creating a custom template around the products to display the information in the way you want, you get full control over how your products are displayed within your WordPress site. As you've seen, by using some very basic WordPress functions like get post meta and simple conditional statements, you can insert pretty much any information you want from Shopify into your WordPress templates dynamically and also keep them up to date. Now, what I've shown you here in this course is just the bare minimum. I've just inserted this content directly into my page. Now that you know how it's done, you can use the template and wrap your content in tags and divs and do other things with them to apply styling and change the layout of all your content. This is really a great way of controlling every single detail of how your products are displayed inside your WordPress site, and there's no real limit here to what you can and cannot do. The drawbacks to this method are pretty minor and also pretty obvious. The primary one is that even though you're importing your products into WordPress and displaying them within your WordPress site in the way you want, the visitor still has to navigate to Shopify to be able to finish the purchase. That's a restriction of Shopify, and it kind of makes sense because you are using Shopify as your online store, so you just have to be okay with that decision. The other drawback is that you need to keep your WordPress site up to date all the time. That means every time something happens on your Shopify site, be that a large sale or a change to some of your products, or some products either going out of stock or new products being added, you need to go to Shopify, export your content, and then import it into WordPress so that the new products are displayed. If you choose to go by the method I showed you, you actually have a lot of different options. The technique I used to filter my content was by filtering them based on products. But this is just one of many different ways you can filter your content and display different content templates depending on those filters. This method also depends on how your particular parent theme works, and it'll differ between different parent themes. So here you need to do experimentation and figure out exactly how you want to filter your content, where you want your custom content templates to appear, and what you want those custom content templates to display. The options here are pretty much endless, and it's up to you how you want to implement this. Now you have the basic bare bones to do this, so go out and experiment.